To automate Monday.com Customize column, you need to understand the basics of the platform and its automation features. Start by logging into your Monday.com account and navigating to the board where you want to customize a column. The first step is to identify the column you want to automate. This could be a status column, a text column, or any other type of column. Once you have identified the column, click on the three-dot menu next to the column title and select the Automate option. This will open the automation menu where you can set up custom automation recipes. A recipe consists of a trigger and an action. The trigger is the event that initiates the automation and the action is the result of that trigger. For example, if you want to automate a status column to change to done when a certain task is completed, the trigger would be when the task is completed and the action would be to change the status column to done. To set up the trigger, click on the Add Trigger button and select the trigger type. In this case, it would be when a task is completed. Then select the specific task and the condition that needs to be met for the trigger to initiate. Next, set up the action by clicking on the Add Action button and selecting the action type. In this case, it would be to change the status column to done. Then select the specific column and the new value that you want to assign to it. Once you have set up the trigger and the action, click on the Save button to save the automation recipe. The automation will now run automatically whenever the trigger is initiated. Best practices for automating Monday.com Customize column include keeping your automation recipes simple and focused on a specific task, testing your automation recipes thoroughly to ensure they are working as expected, and documenting your automation recipes so that others can understand how they work. By following these steps and best practices, you can automate Monday.com Customize column to streamline your workflow and increase productivity. This will save you time and effort in the long run and allow you to focus on more important tasks. In conclusion, automating Monday.com Customize column is a powerful way to streamline your workflow and increase productivity. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create custom automation recipes that meet your specific needs and help you get the most out of the Monday.com platform.